Okay, so right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna install a NAT on this server 2016. So we basically did the process of installation. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the domain name. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go on local server, computer name, I'll put change, and we're just gonna change the name right here. So we're gonna change it to server SRV2016. Let's do that. Yes, to reset. Perfect. We're going to reset it. Bam. And once it resets, it gets refreshed. Then after that, there will be, the domain name will be added. Okay, press connect. I'm going to connect back again. Okay, administrator, password in. Okay. As we wait till everything gets resetted, we're just going to wait till the server manager pops up. Okay. Okay, we're going to server manager. Okay, so what we're going to do, now we're going to go to tools. We're going to go down to routing and remote access. So now we have the proper name for our server. And that's good. So we're going to configure and enable routing. We're going to go to custom configuration. So what I'm going to do with this server, I'm actually going to install multiple LANs. So we're going to put NAT and LAN routing. So that this server is going to have access to the internet. So start services. Because if we open up this network here with the adapter, we do see that we do have connectivity because it's on the default, so it's connected straight to the internet. So what we're gonna do, so now what we should see is the multiple. Oh, that's because what we didn't do is we didn't add the network adapter to, see, we didn't add it to the server. So that's what we have to do on the virtual machine. So we have to add, so we add, let's add one, then let's add another one, LAN 1, LAN 2. So we have default, and I'm just gonna, okay, then we're gonna apply, and we're gonna start it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the password in. Okay, let's start this up. Server manager is starting up right now. That's good. We're gonna go to the network insurance center. All right, so now we have the adapters there. So, sorry. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna identify the adapters. So we're just going to go on the side. We're going settings. We're gonna bring it to the side. Oh, bring this over here so we can match it up side by side. So now we're gonna go to network adapter number 1. Go to advanced features, and we see the N31BC. So let's see here. Oh, status and details. So 31BB. So 31BB is maybe it's the actual default. Yep, that's the default. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna label this. I'll put it cloud. It's cloud, and then we're gonna put this one here. Let's put status and details. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is BD. So BD it should be line number 2. Yep. So this is line number 2. So we're gonna label this line number 2. Okay. Now, we'll just make sure it's BC. This should be this one right here. So BC. It's always good to verify. Okay, so we're gonna just rename it this line right here. So line 1. Okay, there we go. So we got the network adapter, set it up right here, and we're gonna ping now. We're gonna see if we can get connectivity. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna ping right now with the command prompt, and why we ping is because it's used to, the ping is used to verify the connectivity level for the TCP, which is the transmitted of internet control message, so that you, and also with the request messages, so you wait for the messages. So the ping command is going to send 4 requests by default in the Windows. So that's what we're going to see. So let's ping, and this 8888, that is the ping that we use. And as we can see, perfect. And the reason why we use the 8888 is because, well, it is a popular IP address to remember, because all the octets are 8. So like Google provides the 8888 address in the DNS server. So, and it's open all over the internet, and it's not, there's no blocking the access to the ping of the IP address. So that's one of the reasons why we use that. So everything is a go right here. Perfect. So now, what we're going to do right now is we're going to add more roles and features. So we're going to add an Active Directory to our server. So we're going to go back into roles, and the Active Directory is definitely going to have the DNS domain inside of it. So Active Directory domain services, okay. And then press next, we keep going through. Okay,